Friends, running kimono here. We are looking at the best in-store deals for the week of June the 28th to July the 4th. There's a whole nice mix of items in here and some clarifications on some deals that I was talking about yesterday because either the coupons have not dropped yet or maybe they're waiting till closer to the 4th to give us better deals. I don't know, but sometimes they do that when there's a holiday weekend. This is a promotion that a lot of us look forward to, the spend 45 to earn back 15. I'm going to let you know every Tide Gain product is not part of it in the app. So we're going to have to wait either later today or tomorrow to really investigate this. Maybe they haven't programmed the software properly, but it's not there, so we're putting a pause on it. And better safe than sorry, as they say. Also, Kenvue is working, and the vitamin deal we'll look at if you guys want me to, but Kenvue in store, you can use Walgreens cash. If you're doing it curbside, you have to pay for the balance. But Kenvue is the Neutrogena OGX Listerine, and we're going to investigate a deal on that in this video in store. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out me and the channel and the little kitty that's on my desk who helps supervise the video. If you can like the video, thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is to grab 3 of these Always Pure Cottons 28 counters for $11.49. We currently have a 10 off a 2 digital plus a $1 digital. These have a quick expiry date of the 30th of June. You have to do it in the next couple days if you want to participate. So grabbing 3 of these 28 counters, it's going to be $28.72. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting $11, you're paying $17.70, getting back a $10 register reward, making it $7.70 for the 3 or $2.56 per box of pads. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is one I would definitely stock up on. These Always pads are of a great quality. I would stock up. Walgreens brand paper towels, cups, those good items are on a buy one, get 2 for free. So it's shaking them out to $1.33. And we're going to look at the exact specific ones, but this is what the packaging looks like. You know where they are. You know where you pick up your bags whenever they are 88 cents or buy one, get 2 for free, those food storage bags. It's that aisle. So this is what's specifically included. We have the 10 fluid ounce paper bowls. So if you need some bowls, I mean, $1.33, not a bad price point. And the plates, and they're the 20 counters for $1.33 each. I believe this is going to get cleared out a lot of stores quickly. Whenever people see paper plates, like they get hypnotized by it. I don't fully understand, but it's probably going to go really quickly. So if you need this for your 4th of July cookout or a party, stock up ASAP. I think that's the smart thing to do. I believe the paper deal of the week goes to Scott. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and we very generously got a 2 off 2 digital coupon on the toilet paper only. Paper towel is not part of that. Please pay attention to that. So I think, for your 4th of July, they want every aspect of your house covered. So load this little friend. You can get the 12 counters or the 6 counters that are scented. It is your choice. Grabbing 2 of these on a buy one, get one 50% off at $5 a pop. That is $7.50. Subtracting the 2 off a 2, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per bag of bathroom tissue. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I would definitely stock up, especially if you're hosting or having a lot of family over, extra people in your house that's using extra toilet paper. I think is a smart thing to do. This is where it gets weird. We do not have a Neutrogena coupon, and since Easter, they've been giving us that 4 off a 2 for the makeup wipes, or it hasn't dropped yet. And OGX is not listed as buy one, get one 50% off. Both of those deals I showed yesterday, wouldn't do them unless you have a coupon or a register reward to throw in, alternatively. But the Listerine, we do have a $2 digital for that. So we're looking for the $7 bottles. Look for the items that are tagged. Spend $20 on Kenvue, get back a $10 register reward. Remember that Kenvue register reward is a store coupon, so you don't want to use it in concert with a register reward, or it's going to act as $10 in Walgreens cash. Hopefully that is crystal clear. But we have this $2 coupon that's attaching to a $7 bottle. I thought I had more than one, but I guess they must have expired all of them on Saturday the 27th, which they sometimes do. So grabbing 3 of the $7 bottles, that's 21, 7 times 3. Subtracting the one $2 coupon, you're going to pay 19, get back a $10 register reward, making it $9 for the 3 or $3 per Listerine. This is a stock up price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And remember, the Kenvue is a store coupon, so treat that as $10 of Walgreens cash. Another great deal this week, and this usually never goes in concert with the spend 45 to earn back 15. It's the $4.99 P&G Laundry Care. You're going to grab an assortment because the pods, the liquid, all those good items have dollar digital coupons. $4.99 times 4 is $19.96. Subtracting the 4, you're paying $15.96. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I would definitely stock up for this fancier Tide and P&G products. I think a lot of us enjoy them. Tresemme deal is back, and check your fetch rewards in case you might have a rebate like spend 30 to get back 3 or something like that, because this will definitely track. We currently have this gorgeous 4 off of 2 coupon, and the promotion is when you buy 2 of these hair care products, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So look for the items that are tagged. For the cheapest fashion, we are going to be grabbing the $6 Tresemme shampoo, so the larger ones, and you get quite a bit of shampoo there. So 2 of them for $12. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 4 for 2 or $2 per unit. And photograph your receipt to fetch in case you might get some points back. Doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Okay, now for this little deal, we're going to grab one of the Irish Spring and one of the Softsoap body washes. We got a weird assortment of coupons. We have a $2 off of the hand soap or the bar soap, so you pick. I know that hand soap is kind of harder to find, my store included, and then the body wash. And I know that liquid Irish Spring is no longer sold at most of the Walgreens around here, but the ladies one is, so another $2 off there. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $2 register reward with essentially $4 in digital coupons, but you need to mix and match like one of each if you can track them down. So grabbing 2 of these friends at $5.99 each, that is $11.98. Subtracting $4 in digitals, 2 off of each, you're paying $7.98, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but definitely stock up because this is not a bad price point, especially if you like the Irish Spring or the soft soap. The men's Dove FIFA shampoo is $8 this week with the $5 reward when you buy 2. The Dove men's, must be the men's, also has this 8 off of 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded for this promotion. The other cheaper one, unfortunately, they didn't give us a coupon yet, so I don't know. But 2 of those for $16 at $8 each. Subtracting that giant coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per men's shampoo. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. Spend it to earn that register reward. I will let you guys know, though, I did not get a digital booster this week, so I'm not sure if it's the same for you guys, but I certainly didn't. So I'm just keeping it honest and 100%. Now, we're just going to look really quickly at the last deal. That is to grab 2 of the fancies for $6 each by Colgate. This week was the week previous deal, so if you used your coupon, I think 1 reappeared, but 1 didn't. We have a 3 off of 1 and a 3 off of 1. You're going to load these two for $6 off. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you get back a $5 register reward, and who doesn't love that? Hey, maybe as the week marches on, we'll get the other $3 coupon. I don't know. Some weird stuff going on with the app this morning, and I'm pretty sure a couple of you out there probably know what I'm talking about. So 2 of these for $12, subtracting 6, you're going to pay $6, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. That is it for this video. As always, friends, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one, and we will be back with Curbside tomorrow. Hopefully more coupons and cents is making sense. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.